we are going to discuss regarding article. Do you know that how many types of article? There are two types of articles. There are two types of articles. Number one, definite article. Number two, indefinite article. Then, which are definite article? I will tell you. The is definite article. Then you see a and an. These are indefinite articles. These are indefinite articles. As you know, articles play vital role while we are understanding English grammar. So it's most important component. So I will now tell you that where to place article the. Article the, as I told you, that the is definite article. You keep in your mind some of the rules where to place article the and where not to place article the. Article rule number 1. We will have to place article the before superlative degree. Wherever you see superlative degree, we will have to place article the before superlative degree. For example, you see he is the ablest boy of our class. Second example, she is one of the best girls in our school. The best. There may be other girl best, but she is one of the best girl. So here we place article the before the superlative degree. Keep this thing, keep in your mind. This is most important component. Then